Do you offer the Milky Way? Yes, I do. When I paint, in fact, if I've had one or two people say they didn't want it, and I talked them into it because it is by far one of the most talked about things once I finish and I show the people the mural. They love the Milky Way. The Milky Way adds another dimension in the 3D. And it's also in the do-it-yourself kit. So I have instructions in there for you to do the Milky Way. People have asked for a stencil. You don't want a stencil because you would have really sharp lines and it just wouldn't look right. So I give you some instructions on how to paint it. So if I paint it, yes, you get the Milky Way. If you get the do-it-yourself kit, you get the instructions, and whether you're brave enough to do it or not, that's up to you, but the instructions are there.